On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening?
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. Ha, you looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I will be showing you guys how I did it install, because this is a glueless wig from Klaiyi hair, but I will be showing you guys how I put this on and styled it. So I'm so excited for this video. It will be super quick and straight to the point. So if you are interested into seeing it, just sit tight. But y'all already know, before we can hop into this video, I'm gonna need you guys to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too, and that's on way. It's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Hey y'all, all right, so today I'm gonna be bringing you guys another glueless wig video. This one is from Klaiyi hair, and I'm very excited about this one because the color is like so cute. So like I said, this is from Klaiyi hair. All the links and everything is down below, as you guys know. So let's move on to the wig, because this really honestly shouldn't take that long. Okay, so this is how the wig comes. This is the color. It's given very much fall. I love when they send these wigs because I always snap. But okay, here's the lace. As you guys can see, the lace is pre-cut. There's a band on the inside. So all I pretty much have to do is snap this on. And then of course I'm gonna fix it up and stuff, but let's put it on and see how it looks first. All right, so let's position it where it's supposed to be. And I'm just adjusting it in the back, pulling it down. So y'all, this is how it looks straight out of the box. Now, if you're this type of girl and you like wearing your hair like this, then snap it on and go. But honestly, y'all, I gotta fix this up. So what I'm gonna do is like position it where I want it to be. And I'm gonna tighten this band in the back just a tad because I don't want it to slide back. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put a little bit of powder onto this lace. As you guys can see, it honestly doesn't look bad, but I still want to put a little something on it just so it's undetectable if I go out in public. So I'm just gonna use a powder that is my skin tone, and I'm just gonna go in around the hairline. And with it being cut in ridges, you honestly can't see the lace, and you really can't see it once you put makeup on. So all right, now what I'm gonna do is take my hot comb and start to flatten this unit out. I love my wigs to be super duper flat. If you watch my videos, you already know I cannot wear a wig without hot combing it down, because I'm just not that girl. I just can't do it. What I'm gonna do is use a wax stick, and I'm gonna use a little bit of hairspray, and I'm gonna flatten this wig down with my hot comb. This honestly is optional, but if you want your wig to go from a 5 to a 10, flatten the wig out, okay? That's like the biggest wig tip I can ever give to anybody. Get you one of these bad boys and flatten your wig out, because it looks 100 times better once it's hot combed down. See, I haven't even really done anything and it already looks better. And I always like to take the front of the hairline and like push it back like that. I feel like it just makes it look a tad bit more natural. So I'm just going over, and then I'm gonna take some, y'all see the big difference already? I'm gonna take some Got To Be, and I'm just gonna spray this area, and then I'm gonna go over it again. This is just gonna make sure everything stays. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and then we can talk about what I'm gonna do to this hair. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is just take some foundation and I'm just gonna go down my part just because I didn't do the wig cap method, and so you can see where my wig cap starts and ends, which I don't like. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of makeup and a small tight brush, and I'm just gonna go down my part with it. Actually, I'm gonna try a hack that I saw, and it said to put the concealer on the end of the comb and then just run it down your part. So let's see how that works. And it says to just do like this. I'm just gonna take some spray that's the same color as the hair, and I'm just gonna go over it. Okay, so now that I have fixed the part, now let me zoom out so we can focus on the shape of this hair. All right, so as you guys can see, this hair actually has a pretty cute shape, but what I'm gonna do is go through and just put some very, very light layers, just some face framing layers. I'm not gonna mess with the rest of the hair just because I don't want to take too much length off, but I do want to add just a few face framing layers in the front to just help it frame my face a little bit better. So I'm just gonna take my shears and just kind of gradually go down like that. And what this does is it just helps it look a little bit less wiggy, because real hair doesn't all fall at one length normally. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I already feel like it looks 100% better. Now what I'm gonna do is any awkward pieces that I see, I'm just gonna go in at an angle and start to cut it. But like I said, I'm not gonna change too much of the shape of this, the length of this hair, because I really like where it falls. So as long as I feel like there's nothing awkward happening, I'm gonna leave it. But if I see any long pieces that I feel like can look a little bit better, then I'm just gonna shape it up. All right, so this is how this wig looked. This did not even take me 10 minutes to do, and it's glueless. I could take this wig right off, like literally no glue involved, and it was so quick and it's so cute. So I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing me install this unit, and like I said, all the links will be linked down below and a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there and use that. I'm sure they're gonna have a Black Friday sale, so don't miss out on that. That's coming up really soon, I believe within a week, so do not miss out. But that is pretty much it for this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.